Are you tired of feeling bloated and sluggish due to constipation? Look no further! In this video, we'll share the most effective natural remedies to get rid of constipation fast. From dietary changes to herbal supplements, we'll cover it all. Get ready to say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a healthier, happier you. Whether you're looking for quick fixes or long-term solutions, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on your journey to a constipation-free life. Constipation is a real pain, literally. It's when you're struggling to have a bowel movement, or when you do, it's hard, dry, and just plain uncomfortable. It can make you feel sluggish, bloated, and really affect your daily life. Imagine having to deal with that every day. It's no fun. From not being able to enjoy your favorite foods to feeling too tired to do anything, constipation can really take over your life. And it's more common than you think, with lots of people experiencing it at some point. So understanding what causes it and how to treat it naturally is super important. So what causes constipation? Well, it can be a combination of things like not eating enough fiber, not drinking enough water, or not moving your body enough. Stress can also play a big role. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, which can slow down digestion and make it harder to go. And let's not forget about certain medications or health conditions that can also contribute to constipation. But here's the thing, you don't have to rely on medication to get relief. There are plenty of natural remedies that can help. One of the simplest is to drink more water. Staying hydrated helps soften stool and make it easier to pass. Another one is to increase your fiber intake. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are all high in fiber and can help get things moving. Some specific foods can actually help alleviate constipation quickly. For example, prunes or dried plums are known for their natural laxative effect. They contain sorbitol, a sugar that can help soften stool. Then there are foods high in magnesium, like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, which can help relax the muscles in your digestive tract and make bowel movements easier. I've got to tell you about two remedies that have been lifesavers for me and many others: psyllium husk and probiotics. Psyllium husk is a fiber supplement that helps bulk up stool and make it easier to pass. It's amazing because it works quickly and is really gentle on your system. Probiotics, on the other hand, help balance your gut microbiome. When your gut is happy, digestion is smoother and you're less likely to get constipated. I've seen so many people swear by these two. In conclusion, getting rid of constipation fast doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals or prescription meds. By making a few simple changes to your diet, staying hydrated, and trying out some standout remedies like psyllium husk and probiotics, you can find quick and effective relief. If you've tried any of these remedies or have another favorite that works for you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tips on keeping your digestive system happy, be sure to check out my other video on digestive health. Thanks for watching.